Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a challenge. Kind of, not really. It's more like a get wet, laugh at yourself kind of a video. So, since it is raining out and it is wet, I'm going to wait for the next shower, the next pour down, and I'm gonna run outside and get wet, and you guys are gonna be strapped to my chest. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the rain. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today it is in the rain. Come on, rain! Bring on the rain! So guys, it is wet out here, and the rain is starting to slow down now. So this was fun. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. This video, I gotta go inside and get a shower. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.